Here's how to use the Zwilling coffee grinder, and we're also going to show you how to use the coffee pot. So what you're going to do is put the whole beans in the top part, and then you're going to adjust the little knob on top to see how many cups you're going to do. We did 6, and then you just push the button in and it grinds up for 6 cups of coffee. When it's done grinding, you're going to pull that plastic piece out. Sorry, it's still grinding right now, but it's really simple to do. I definitely should have cleaned this before I did this video. Yeah, it's kind of embarrassing. Anyway, it's almost done. I promise. You can see it going through there. Okay, so it's done. You're going to pull it out. You're going to put it in. We have a reusable coffee filter, and then you're going to just push that away. Put in your water for your 6 cups, and that's going to go in the little reservoir area. There's lines on the side that show you where you're filling it to, so whenever you get to the amount of cups that you want, you'll just hit that line. And so I'm showing you that there. So once we get to 6, we know that we are donezo, and then you're just going to turn on the machine, put it to 6 cups. So first power it on, then you're going to go over to the little cup, you're going to power that, and then you're going to see 6 cups, and you're going to hit that sign again, and that is how you use the Zwilling coffee pot and coffee grinder. Hope this helps.